Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore focus using Focus Assist in Microsoft Teams, full guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the window. Click on your profile picture to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find the General tab. Scroll down until you see the Focus Assist section. Choose your preferred Focus Assist settings. You can select Off to receive all notifications. Alternatively, select Priority Only to allow only notifications from specific apps. If you choose Alarms Only, this will mute all notifications except for alarms. To specify priority notifications, click on Customize your priority list. Here, you can add important contacts and apps. Ensure you save your changes after customizing. Now, return to the main Teams interface. During a meeting, look for the More Actions button represented by 3 dots. Click on More Actions to open additional options. Select Show Background Effects if you wish to minimize distractions visually. You can also turn off notifications temporarily during a meeting. To do this, click on the calendar icon in the app. Schedule a focus period by selecting New Meeting or New Appointment. Mark the time as free to prevent unnecessary interruptions. This will help you stay focused during that time. To check your Focus Assist status, revisit the Settings menu. You will see your current settings under the General tab. Adjust them as needed to ensure you stay focused. Remember, regularly reviewing your settings can enhance your productivity. Using Focus Assist effectively will help you manage your time better. This concludes the guide on restoring focus with Focus Assist in Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.